company got a project in Vauxhavn, Bodø Kommune in Norway, and we're supposed to design wild, kind of sustainable residential village. After a while, they wanted to combine private residence with travel destination. This platform makes wild B2B carbon negative and generate more energy from renewable resources than it consumes. And also all the food, energy and water that uses, they were supposed to be monitored and reused in the loop system again and again. The plot where we were supposed to design the project on had a really high sea level, which dramatically changed during the year. We decided then to create a floating village, like an island, so we could move after the sea level condition, but at the same time that this island could be totally self-sufficient. So if needed, we could multiply them and place them different places.
We joined Revit and Dynamo, and we had very easily way to prototype different parts of the building and the different solution. It's helped us and saved our time. What was challenging in this and a lot of amount of information, the way how we had to store it, the way how we had to cooperate with the different people located in a different area, not in the same city. BIM 360 really helped us to communicate and show our ideas. Also, thanks to that solution, we could involve our client to be part of the project and work with us on it, even though we were sitting in a different place.